Welcome. This is Matthew Pearson from Electra Impy, 3420 Tokoroa, New Zealand Earth. Wow, we've got a topic to discuss. What happens if you don't have a dryer and you wash in your washing? Simple. If you have a clothesline, get a clothes horse. They're found in the warehouse, being $15 to $40. Or you can get a handyman in and put a clothesline up so you can have clothes you can dry outside or under your porch. That's not hard to do, is it? I have terrible asthma at the moment. I've got a cough that won't go away. I bring up mucus and phlegm, and I'm not well. But I'm going to the doctors in a few weeks to get checked out. If you like these videos I'm making, hit like, subscribe, and share. The power is yours. And did you know I've got 5,000 followers on Instagram and 5,000 followers on Facebook?